Navigating the Digital Landscape, a Beginner's Guide to IT Governance Frameworks. Understanding IT Governance Frameworks. IT governance frameworks are essentially a set of guidelines and practices that organizations follow to ensure that their IT systems and processes are aligned with business objectives. These frameworks help organizations make informed decisions regarding technology strategy, cybersecurity policies, compliance, risk management, data protection, information technology controls, and best practices. Why is IT governance important for beginners? As a beginner in the digital landscape, it is crucial to understand the importance of IT governance. By implementing an IT governance framework, beginners can ensure that their organization's IT systems are secure, compliant, and aligned with business goals. Key components of IT governance frameworks. Regulations. IT governance frameworks help organizations comply with industry regulations and standards to avoid legal consequences. Guidelines and procedures. Following established guidelines and procedures ensures consistency and efficiency in IT operations. Training and documentation. Training employees on IT governance practices and documenting processes are critical for successful framework implementation. Common governance models. Centralized governance. In this model, decision-making authority is centralized, allowing for consistency and control over IT operations. Decentralized governance. Decentralized governance allows individual departments to make decisions based on their specific requirements. Hybrid governance. A combination of centralized and decentralized governance models can offer flexibility and efficiency in IT management. Conclusion. In conclusion, navigating the digital landscape as a beginner can be challenging, but with a solid IT governance framework in place, you can effectively manage risks, ensure compliance, and align technology with business objectives. By following best practices, implementing robust security measures, and choosing the right governance structure, beginners can successfully navigate the complex world of IT governance.